Today on breakfast, lunch, and dinner cooking, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful, beautiful lemon bars. To start, we're going to take 1 cup of flour, and a 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, okay, and then I'm going to take a stick of butter. I've let that set out a little bit so it's room temperature. What you want to do is just break that all up into there. I'm using salted butter here. You just kind of want to mix it like it's pie crust. Easy peasy. Lemon squares. Doesn't get any better than that. I want to keep these for myself, but I'm going to force myself to take it to cards today. I love lemon. Anything with lemon. And they don't mind when I bring things to cards at all. No problem. Okay, so that's just the 3 ingredients. I've got my oven preheated to 350, and you want to kind of make it till it's crumbly, kind of like that. So now what I'm going to do, dump it in my pan, get all those yummies off my hands, and it said to do it in an 8x8 pan, but this is my little Dollar Tree brownie pan and it works great. If you want to double it, you can do it in like a cake pan. Okay, I am going to bake that for 20 minutes on 350, and I will get back with you. Okay, I just took my shortbread bottom out of the oven. Now what we're going to do is we are going to mix 2 eggs, and 1 cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt, just a little bit of salt, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. But what I'm going to do first is I am going to get some zest out of there. I thought adding a little zest would make it even taste better. So I'm going to add probably, let's see what we got. This is probably like, sorry about that. I didn't know it was going to stick so much. This is probably a teaspoon of zest. Maybe a little more. Anything lemony, you know, is going to be good. All right. Maybe there. I got a little more up there. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze this lemon juice into my bowl here. It calls for 2 tablespoons. I think I'll accomplish that. That was a nice big lemon. Okay. So 2 tablespoons. Don't want to get the seeds. 1. And maybe a little tiny bit more. Okay. Get that out of the way. And now what we're going to do is we are going to use the mixer and we're going to beat this until it's frothy. That smell yummy. And it looks like lemon too. It's looking good. I think we got it. That looks frothy. So now I'm going to bring my shortbread over. And we are going to dump that right over the top of that shortbread. Get all that yummy. Okay. And I am going to put that in my 350-degree oven for 25 more minutes. Hey, my bars have been out of the oven for about 30 minutes, and bars have been out of the oven for about 30 minutes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of powdered sugar in a little thing. And what you want to do is just lightly hit the top with the powdered sugar just to make it look pretty. Don't let it overflow. There we go. Now I got it. Okay, that should work. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these, believe it or not, with a plastic knife. My mother always said plastic knives worked the best. For some reason. If you don't break it. If I were to do this again, I would do it in the 8x8 pan because I had to cut back some of the time on the upper layer because the bottom layer got a little darker than I wanted. So oh, that tastes good. My mother always said the plastic knife, and I don't know why. Let's see. I think because it doesn't drag the filling as much. Those are delicious. Okay, let's see if we can get these out. Without them breaking. There we go. I'm going to put these on the platter and I'm going to get them all ready for cards. Let me show you what we got. Look at these beautiful little lemon squares. And they taste really good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.